It's Mom Hunt here again. Today we have a wired keyboard. It's a model PC 2060A keyboard. It's from Colex. It's sold on Amazon. It's sold for $14.99, and there was 2,000 sold last month. So let's take a look to see if this is worth it or not. Uh, I'm also wondering too to see if this is worth it. I don't think it is, based on my opinion, but let's just see. Alright, I'm gonna open it right now. Alright, it's wrapped in this plastic. Alright, nothing else is in the box. Alright, it comes with a standard USB, as you guys see right here. Very standard USB. It's attached to right here at this end. It looks pretty wobbly. Not sure if it will stay. And the keyboard looks like this. So in the back, let's see. Yep, there we go. It's on both sides. So you can place it like that. Honestly. Right, but we won't be using that. Okay. Let me just unwrap this. And it has two wraps. You guys see? It has two wraps. Very interesting. Alright, we're gonna unwrap this. Unwrap. I'm gonna take this one out. And the cable is quite long. I'm gonna let me just put this phone right here. I'm gonna remove my old keyboard. My old one was a HP keyboard. It was not that good, honestly. It really wasn't. Let's see. Yeah, I plugged the wrong one. Right. This keyboard was max mid. The reason why was that this keyboard from HP, this is a standard issue keyboard from HP, and this keyboard itself, it always runs into typing issues. Yes, the keys look very slick, right? It's very thin, but it always runs into issues. The reason why is because the low RPM, it always fucks up. So we're gonna try to use this new one. I'm gonna plug it in right now. And I thank Colikes for sponsoring this video. They paid half of it. That's fine. $15, half of it. We're not including tax, obviously. You know what, let's just plug it in this way. See if it works. Alright. So my computer identifies it as a shift key. Let's see. Shift. You know, it's fine. Quit. It's fine. It's fine. Alright, so I'm gonna share my computer screen with you. Let's see how quickly this thing types. Alright, continue screen sharing, allow screen share. Let's see, let's share this. I don't know, let this show. Huh. I guess you can't share screen on Safari. That's wild. Am I sharing my screen right now? Alright, I guess not. But you know what? That's totally fine. You can just hook this camera out. Go take a look. I know this is a hard button. Ooh, whoa, you saw my blood. Alright, so let's see. Let's do, for example, a type. Let's do a type right here. Let's bring up notes. I'm going to bring up notes right now. This is a MacBook, so it's kind of difficult for me to adjust to this. Let me delete. Alright, delete it. Let me write a note. PPPL. Alright, you see me typing PPPP? Take a look. PPPPPPPPPPP. Alright, so it responds quite quickly. And the feeling overall is genuinely very nice. Look at that. When I press it, there's like almost no pressure. No pressure at all. So overall, it's a very good computer. Very good keyboard in my opinion. Even though I wasn't paid for it, but see that means something. I think it's an overall good keyboard. I would recommend this. This is called COLIKES, COLIKES. Keyboard with wire, plug, play USB, low profile, chiclet keyboard. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you next time, guys. Mom Bon's out.